Hi everyone, welcome to my new series where we read short stories in Slovak together. Each episode we'll read a little story, learn new words, and then I'll quiz you on what happened. Ready? Let's go! On a walk. Na prechádzke. Na prechádzke. Je ráno. Je ráno. It is morning. Anna ide na prechádzku do parku. Anna ide na prechádzku do parku. Anna goes for a walk to the park. V parku svieti slnko. V parku svieti slnko. The sun is shining in the park. Anna vidí psa. Anna vidí psa. Anna sees a dog. Pes je malý a biely. Pes je malý a biely. The dog is small and white. Pes beží k Anne. Pes beží k Anne. The dog runs to Anna. Anna sa usmieva a hovorí ahoj, psík. Anna sa usmieva a hovorí ahoj, psík. Anna smiles and says hello, doggy. Pes šťastne šteká. Pes šťastne šteká. The dog barks happily. Anna mu dáva kúsok chleba. Anna mu dáva kúsok chleba. Anna gives him a piece of bread. Potom Anna ide domov. Potom Anna ide domov. Then Anna goes home. Je šťastná. Je šťastná. She is happy. Quiz time. When does Anna go for a walk? Kedy Anna ide na prechádzku? Ráno. Where does Anna go? Kam ide Anna? Do parku. What is the dog like? Aký je pes? Malý a biely. What does Anna give to the dog? Čo dáva Anna psovi? Kúsok chleba. How does Anna feel at the end? Ako sa cíti Anna na konci? Šťastná. Great job! You just finished your first Slovak story. Tell me in the comments, did you get all the answers right? And what's your favorite Slovak word from today's story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for the next story. Bye!